In our house, we love making a breakfast casserole on a Sunday. That way you have it for breakfast throughout the week and you don't have to worry about breakfast. Today, my friends, we're gonna do a smoked breakfast casserole on the Blackstone pellet grill. Guys, it's gonna be some good groceries. You will not wanna miss it. Let's go. That's some good groceries. We have our griddle on our pellet grill. We have it pre-warmed on a low heat. We're gonna get our sausage ready. Just use whatever sausage you like. This is one of my favorites here. We're gonna break the sausage up just in manageable pieces here, and we're gonna let it cook just on a low heat, just low and slow. In front of our sausage, we're gonna add some onions and peppers. This is totally optional. A little bit of olive oil, and then add your peppers and your onions, followed by some salt and pepper. And we're just gonna cook those down until nice and soft. So while our sausage and while our peppers are going over onto the griddle, let's get over to the cutting board and let's get started grating some cheese. This is Colby Jack cheese. You wanna use a cheddar, you wanna use a pepper jack, just use whatever you like. I'm going with Colby Jack because they're good friends of mine, all right? Got 1 pound block of Colby Jack. We're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream to a bowl, and we're gonna add 12 eggs. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper in that. Give it a nice little mixy. And that's what you have left there. Guys, this is almost ready. All we have to do now is assemble our breakfast casserole. We're gonna use some shredded hash browns here. And we're gonna lay these are thawed, okay? 1 package, and that's gonna be our base layer, all right? These are potatoes, and potatoes needs a little bit of seasoning. So a little salt, a little bit of pepper. Right now, we're gonna put just a little bit of this cheese down. I'm gonna do kind of a layer situation here, but you know, just wanna make sure I got some cheese. Let's go over to the griddle now and get our sausage and our peppers and onions. This is gonna be good, y'all. This is gonna be good. We got our taters, got our cheese, got our onions, peppers, sausage. We're gonna take these eggs and we're gonna pour the eggs right over all this mixture. Ooh, doggies. All right. Take your fork, just kind of make sure you work in that egg mixture, okay? Now, got a little bit more cheese. Actually, I got a lot more cheese. Bring that in too. I'm just gonna try to stir this in just a little bit. Just put it down. Got a little bit more cheese right here. We're just gonna put this right on top. All right, our casserole is assembled. It's all ready to go. We're going over to our pre-warmed pellet grill. It's on 350 degrees. Set your casserole right in the middle, and we're gonna let that go for about an hour. You're basically looking for it to be not jiggly. Once it's not jiggly, good to go. See you in about an hour. All right, guys, it's been about an hour. Let's see where this breakfast casserole is. Oh man, look at that. She is a beauty. The only thing left to do is let's cut into this thing and let's see what we got. Just gonna use a old spatula here. We'll get a nice big old, I like a corner piece because those edges, okay? That's just what I like to do. Ooh, man, oh man. Eggs nice and set. Put that right there. And there you have it, my friends. Good old smoked breakfast casserole. Woohoo! I love breakfast casserole, as I said. Let's give it a try. The red peppers, I tasted the sweetness right off the bat. The sausage is so good. Cheesy, my word. This is amazing. A little bit of smoke, not overly smoky. So good. I love those hash browns too. A little bit of sriracha on that. Woo! That's a recipe for success. Y'all, hey, I appreciate you watching. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you see other awesome videos like this. And also griddlenation.com where you see awesome swag from Blackstone, from all kinds of other folks. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.